Obviously, they're evenly matched teams on the inside. The rebound numbers very even.
Yeah, I've been impressed with just both teams' energy. Really working hard.
Shot is off. Well, that's a warm-up jumper there. I mean, when you're a pro, you can't make excuses for missing that.
There's the beat. Number 23, defended by Hole. And
kept his focus, able to knock that down. And that is not easy, Steve. I mean, to take the bump, to maintain control of your body.
Still waiting for the first hit from the foul line this half.
100% since halftime, is that right? I'm not sure this league's moving away anytime soon if that keeps up.
A moment to check in with Doris. Doris?
During that break, Coach Mike Malone had some words for his team. He was riding them pretty hard for the number of silly fouls they've committed in this game. He said, we need to have some defensive discipline. Stop fighting on the shot fakes, stop reaching in, and stop giving them 3 points at the free throw line. We'll see if they'll respond, guys.
Just knew he wasn't going to miss there. Not with so much riding on it. We've got 1:23 left in the fourth quarter. Kane, defended by
It's not an opportunity he fails to convert very often.
It's moving the ball to take the lead. There's the snow. Picked off. Number 29. Good.
What a shot. That could be the difference maker. Big moment in this game.
Nuggets have drawn 8 of 14 on the floor. Number 4. There's 38 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Tremendous three to tie it up.
You know what, guys? He can really light it up from the perimeter at times.
Thunder shooting has been brilliant in this game. 67% for the floor. Knocked away. That's the beat. Denver's gone past the three-point line for 13 of their shots. 6 of 13.
And he never had a doubt. He was celebrating the moment of his hand.
For you guys, as you weren't able to seal the deal at the end of the game. Do you feel like your team lost this game or the other team won it?
I don't feel nothing. The game's over. It was a close one and the balls didn't bounce our way in the end. I'm not going to get all upset about it at this point or try to figure out exactly who should get all the credit. It's not worth it. I'm going to spend my energy on looking ahead to the next game and finding a way to make sure we do a better job then.